Hello everyone, this is Sajid Khote and I welcome you all to my channel Creative Tutorials with a very big heart. Dear children, in our last video, we had seen the first part of the construction about how to draw a line parallel to the given line, and where the construction was to draw a line parallel to the given line through a point outside the given line using set squares, right? If you remember, in the previous video I had taught you how to make use of the set squares being given to you of two different measures. One was 30, 60, 90 measure the set square, and the other one was 45, 45, 90 degree set square, right? And the second construction today, what we are going to see is to draw a parallel line to a given line at a given distance. Okay, if you remember, in the previous video we had drawn one parallel line to one given line or existing line, right? Now, but that line was said to us that we have to take one point outside that given line, and here they are giving us at a given distance. That means one fixed distance will be given to us. So the new line which we are going to draw, which will be parallel to the given line, okay, will be at that particular distance being given to us. Okay, come on. So with that short explanation, let's begin with today's one. So today, this is our second construction. So method is what? Draw a line parallel to line L at a distance 2.5 centimeters. Okay, let us see once again. Draw a line parallel to line L. That means line L is already existing. Okay, so you can see on this side our line L is already existing over here, right? And then they're telling us at a distance 2.5 centimeters. That means this line is at a distance of 2.5 centimeters. Which line I'm talking about? The line which we are going to draw parallel to line L. Okay, so as per the steps being given to us in the textbook, let us see one by one. So the steps of construction are: number one, draw line L. So we have drawn one line L. Okay, so what you will do, you will draw one line L of any measure you want. Okay, then take 2 points A and B on the line L. We have to take 2 points A and B anywhere on the line L. Okay, so we have taken point A over here and B over here. Distance between point A and B is not required. Okay, because as long as we are attempting to draw a parallel line to a given line, okay, so this distance will not matter. Okay, come on. So these 2 points are being taken, A and B, on line L. Point number 3 says that draw perpendiculars to the line L from points A and B. See once again, draw perpendiculars to the line L from points A and B. So point A is here. So from this point we will draw one perpendicular. How to draw a perpendicular? If you remember, I have taught to you in the previous video. Right now, how you will make use of a set square and you will draw a perpendicular. If you have forgotten what you will do, let me explain you one more time. In case if you have forgotten, okay, you will keep the set square here. Suppose this is your set square, okay, like this, and that set square का जो point है 90 degrees का point जो है, that point you will touch here at point A, and at vertical line you will draw that line along the edge, and you will draw on this line along the edge of that set square and then extend it. Okay, you will extend it. Then what happens is you have drawn one perpendicular at point A. Same thing you will repeat here also. Okay, what you will do, again you will take one set square, either keep it on this side or this side, it's up to you. Okay, with the help of set square, draw this perpendicular. Alright, once you have drawn this perpendicular, please show these perpendicular marks. Okay, now on the perpendicular lines, take points P and Q at a distance of 2.5 centimeters from A and B respectively. So what you will do, either you make use of your scale directly and take a height of 2.5 centimeters, okay, from point A, and mark point P on this line, red colored line. Okay, similarly, bring the scale on this line, okay, and take a distance of 2.5 centimeters and take this point Q on this red line. Okay, the other way of doing it is what? You can take your compass in your compass, take a radius of 2.5 centimeters. Okay, and with 2.5 centimeters radius, what you will do is, with A as center, draw one arc on this line. Wherever it cuts, that is your point P. With the same measure of 2.5 centimeters radius, and this time with center B, okay, cut the arc on this line. Wherever the arc intersects this line, that is your point Q. Then join point P and Q and extend them. Okay, now draw line PQ. So you will join these 2 points PQ and you will extend it. The moment you extend it, it becomes a line. Okay, and line PQ is a line parallel to the line L at a distance 2.5 centimeters. So what this line we have got now by doing all this construction part, okay, that is line PQ, is nothing but the line parallel to this line L at a distance of 2.5 centimeters. Okay, so this is the construction part of this line, and this is the second construction. So one we saw by using set squares right now, where the point was lying outside the line, outside the given line. That means if you remember, this line L was given to us, we had already drawn in the first construction. Okay, today this video is on second construction. I am trying to relate these two so that those who have not seen first video, the previous video, okay, will get a rough hint of what we had done there. So this line was drawn and one point was outside. We were asked to take a point outside the line. So we had taken somewhere here or here, wherever, right now. And then at that point we had drawn one parallel. So for that we had made use of set squares. Okay, and today's construction is number 2 construction. And today's construction is number 2, that is to draw a parallel line to a given line at a given distance. So line being given to us is this one, and at a fixed distance 2.5. Right? So same questions will come to you in your exams as well. Okay, what is the difference? So they will make, instead of line L, they will give you line M or line A, whatever, correct? And instead of 2.5, they might make it 2 centimeters or 3.5 or 5 centimeters, whatever, right now. Otherwise, the basic structure or the basic method or steps of construction remains the same in both the parts, construction number 1 as well as the construction number 2. Okay, dear children. So dear children, I hope that this video is very well understood by each and everyone. Okay, and I had tried my level best to relate the previous video with this one so that it becomes more easier for you to understand. Okay, so if you remember from our previous videos, I had kept this part, you see, this part, because after this part only we had come to construction part of our parallel lines. Okay, so I had kept this statement of construction number 1 deliberately to relate this to compare these two, that what is the difference, what we did in our construction 1 and what we are doing in construction 2. So I hope that it is very well understood. Okay, I have tried my level best to explain it to you in an easy peasy way, and I hope I have succeeded in doing so. So dear children, if you think that you are loving my way of teaching and you are enjoying mathematics with me, it's a humble request to please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned. Very soon I will be back with my next videos, okay, in which we'll be doing practice set, the next practice set after this one. Okay, and that is the last practice set of this chapter. Okay, chalo, I love you all. Stay blessed, stay healthy, okay, stay safe, study well, keep growing. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.